Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you sugar and castor oil scrub. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. For those thinking how to use castor oil on face, this scrub is the best answer. Sugar not only helps in exfoliating dead skin cells but also helps in cleaning away excess dirt and impurities that cause acne and pimples. Castor oil moisturizes and hydrates the skin, giving a glow and softness. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon castor oil. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons granulated sugar and to it add 1 teaspoon castor oil and mix lightly. Gently scrub on the face in clockwise motion for 10 to 15 minutes and thereafter let the oil seep into the skin's layer for another 5 minutes. Wash it off the face with cool water. Repeat the process at least once a week for desired results. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.